Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Surah Al-Ma'idah 5 and Ayah 89. لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن يؤاخذكم بما عقدتم الأيمان فكفارته إطعام 10 مساكين من أوسط ما تطعمون أهلكم أو كسوتهم أو تحرير رقبة فمن لم يجد فصيام 3 أيام ذلك كفارة أيمانكم إذا حلفتم واحفظوا أيمانكم كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تشكرون. Allah will not catch you with nonsensical or ungrammatical talk in your right, and He will catch you with what you have fastened, tied the knot in your right. And the atonement, amendment, correction is feeding of the 10 needy persons from an average of what you feed to your family, or garb them, or liberate free a slave. Then whosoever does not find this, then fast for 3 days. That is the atonement, amendment, correction of your right, when you take an oath and preserve your right. Likewise, Allah clarifies His ayah signs for you so that you may be thankful. Now, in this ayah, you see, first of all, we have to understand what is our right. Allah will not catch you for your right. What is right? You see, in the Quran, Allah says that on the day of judgment, people will be on the right side, on the left. It says right, Ayman, and left. So, right means what is right in the nearness of Allah. So, there are certain do's and don'ts mentioned in the Quran that is your right of a believer. If a believer follows the right mentioned in the Quranic ayahs, that is your right. For example, do you understand do's and don'ts? I give you, for example, to say good to mankind, that's the right. That's the responsibility that's your right. I always do good for mankind. For what? Because Allah says so in the ayahs. So it becomes my right. So it says to have good behavior with your parents. So that is my right. So if I do against that, then I have to do all this what I'm saying. This ayah. You follow what is your right? If your right is what the Quran says about the do's and the don'ts, that is your right, becomes your right. This is my right. So this is wrong and right. This is the word in Arabic is right and wrong. So what I practice the right of the Allah's ayahs, the do's and the don'ts of Allah's ayahs, that is the right, my right. So now it says to be moderate in your walk, to be quick in forgiveness, to measure full, and just give you an example. To spend something from whatever you love most, to hold for forgiveness, to seek clarification against charge, to give charity, so to make corrections, to eat lawful food, to perform Hajj. So there are so many things and do's and don'ts. So that is your right. That means this I have to perform and practice. So Allah says Allah will not catch you. Like for example, I have to say good to people, right? And I jokingly say something bad to people, but I didn't meant it. So Allah says Allah will not catch you with your nonsensical, ungrammatical talk. Means it was nonsensical, it doesn't make sense. You are not making sense out of it. I said something which doesn't make sense. Ungrammatical means I didn't mean it. In other words. So He says He will not catch you for your nonsensical and grammatical talk in your right. Your right. And He will catch you with what you fastened, tied the knot in your right. That you make sure you have made a knot. That yes, I will be bad to this guy. When Allah says good, say good. You start saying bad and you meant it, which was not right basically. You're right, should have not done it. Now for that Allah says, in that condition you are right, and the atonement and amendment correction is the feeding of 10 needy person from an average scale of what you feed to your family. This is very important. If I am, suppose I provide nourishment of a higher status to my family. So if I have done something wrong, now I have to provide the food to the needy is the average scale what I feed to my family, not some dal roti. Some poor, what do you say in English? Eh? Who knows? You English, you know. What is dal? Lentil. Eh? Pulses. Pulses and bread. And you are eating chicken and mutton and fish. And for other guys, or you're giving little, no, you have to provide the food and high standard of an average scale. What you eat, if you go against if you have broken the right, you make a knot in your right. So now you have to do what you have to feed the 10 needy person from an average sale, what you feed your family. 1. Then you guard them with clothes, what you wear. Not from lighthouse. From a standard house you wear. Uniform kind of, or liberate a free slave. Or liberate a free slave. Then whosoever does not find all this, then fast for 3 days. Now you will be able to fast. Now you want to fast for 3 days. That's the easy way out. Otherwise, it's a more expensive, That is the atonement, correction of your right when you take an oath that I will not say bad again. I give you an example. If I have to say good to people, I have to be good to my parents. And if I became bad, so now you have to fast for 3 days. Or give food and nourishment of 10 average people, 10 people, needy persons of an average scale what you eat. Or you give them, clothe them. Otherwise you fast for 3 days. It is not the only month of Ramadan, you fast for 1 month of Ramadan, 1 year. There are many fasts. This ayat catches you of all your wrong, of your fasting and tiding and not. Backbiting. Continues your backbiting, believe me. Men and women both. Easily they are backbiting as for nothing. Allah doesn't say anything. He is asking you not to backbite, investigating. So many ayahs I can tell you. I can tell you number of ayahs where people are not practicing, and for every that you have to fast for 3 days. There will be hardly a day you can eat normally. If you want to be a really believer in the nearness of Allah. Believe me. You will keep, this I am going wrong, this I am doing wrong, deliberately you're fasting knots and knots and knots. So now you go back. If you go back, you have to fast for 3 days minimum. Otherwise, if you're a rich guy, keep on feeding the poor. And keep on clothing on an average scale. What you eat, not lentils. Pulses, not pulses. Because you are not eating pulses. You're throwing it to the animals. So my ladies and gentlemen, this ayat is the basic ayat that a person should know. That where did I get wrong? So I have to make sure that I did wrong. So 3 days for fast, I have to fast. And Allah says fasting is better, always says. The first ayat I read. In comparison with charity and other things, He says fasting is better for you. And people, believe me, people do not want to fast. If they are healthy also, they don't want to fast.